Hey you guys, it's Jesse from the Jesse channel. God, this tastes so good. I swear to you guys, this tastes so good. If you guys don't like it, screw you! Hold on. You could bite these and things, but the thing I like to do is suck it. So you guys, I'm sorry if I ate a lot and it bothered you. But I swear to you, that tasted so good. But it's not part of what I'm doing today. Today, I'll be blowing a balloon. You guys, I'm not gonna actually blow a balloon. I'm gonna show you how to make a potion. For love. And this is all the things that you need. The first thing that you'll need is a cup, and this cup is for everything. So the next thing that you'll need is, so you'll be just pouring that milk, and don't fill it all the way. So the next thing that you'll need is Pepsi, and pour that Pepsi. Let me see if it's the right kind. The good one. So the next thing that you'll need is an egg. And then just pour it in there. Okay, so the next thing that you'll need is one of these flavored syrup strawberries. So just pour it in there, because the pink means love. Okay. So the next thing that you'll need is barbecue sauce, because you know that love burns. So just add that in. And the next thing that you'll need is an entire mini water bottle. Entire mini water bottle. And the next thing that you will also need is 4-fingered butter. And 4-fingered butter is like when you grab butter with your hand and it fills your 4 fingers. So just add that in, and you might want to wash your hands before this, okay? Okay, so I washed my hands. And the next thing that you'll need is some Yoplait. Okay. Wow, that's cold. So the next thing that you'll need is some ranch. All right. Okay, so the next thing that you'll need is tomato sauce. Okay, so you just add that in. Because love could be also spicy. Oh, put too much. And the next thing that you'll need is hot sauce, because love could be some spicy sometimes. So add a pinch of some hot sauce. The next thing that you'll need is this. This is not apple juice. What's this thing called? Strawberry juice. And no, it's not. It's in an orange carrot thingy because my dad put it there. But just put some in because that means for red love. Because we're making a love potion and you need that for love. Jelly. The next thing that we'll need is jelly. Okay, so let me just add the... Oh, wow. Okay, so one piece of jelly just fell in there. And the next thing that you'll need is some ice cubes. And the final thing that we will need is Vienna sausage. And you have to crush it because sometimes love could give you because you could crush on someone very easily. Make sure you crush it very well. Okay. So this is how it should look like. It looks like barf. I know. And then the last thing that you have to do is give it a stir. And this is how your love potion should look like. I know, it looks like barf. I'm sorry if you barf at your screen. And you really have to crush everything in there up to the liquids. So try on my two twins, Jessila and Alicia. My two twins, Elsa and Alicia. And my name is Jessica. Okay, so just mixing it well, and I'm gonna try it on my. I'm not gonna try it on my sister because that's not the best for a girl to fall in love for a girl. It's just not how love works. And I'm just gonna use it on one person, on the other. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna give it to my twin sister Alicia because she has a crush on this boy, and this boy doesn't like her. So she wanted me to do this potion, and yeah. Let's watch the clip. Hey, Carlos, I was wondering if you like to drink my juice that I made. I know it kind of looks disgusting, but I was wondering if you would like to try it out. Oh, sure, whatever. I'll try your stinky little piece of crap. Because I really appreciate it. Alright, I'll try this piece of crap. I'm gonna see if I like it or not. But remember, I don't like you, okay? So I'm gonna drink it. Hey, it's not that bad. What's your secret recipe? Oh, there's a lot of recipes in it. Oh, well, I like it. I think I'll try some more. I think I'll drink the whole thing. I like it. Wow, this is the best thing I've ever tasted. I wish I could know your secret to this. I could already imagine it. But I like the way you do this piece. I think I'm gonna just... Ooh, makes me sleepy a bit. It's kind of spicy. It's kind of very, very spicy. And it tastes like it has some strawberry flavor in it. Tastes so good. It makes me kind of sleepy. Now we could be together forever. Okay guys, so I hope you liked the video. So if you did like the video, please leave a thumbs up and comment below. And please subscribe to my channel. And that's how I can be in your dreams. Just kidding, I'm not a creep. But anyways, I hope you guys really, very, very, very liked the video. And here are the bloopers of the video. So I'm going to show you one of the clips from the video, okay? Well, maybe not, okay? Because I don't want to actually show the embarrassing parts. Well, I hope you liked the video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I can be in your dreams. Just kidding, I'm not doing that. And comment below what you think what potion I should make next. Please do not make the potion. It could probably kill you. But as I said again, please like, subscribe, and comment below which fake potion I should do next. But I shouldn't do a mermaid because I still need to buy the mermaid outfit thing. But okay, that's all that I have to say today. Bye. Peace. Love. Mwah. Bye.